Very recently, I got to know about this recipe. Biscotti is a very famous recipe among many countries. So today, we will also give it a try. Out of these mentioned ingredients, we can make around 20 to 25 biscottis. First, we need to cut dried fruits and nuts into small pieces. Here you can get cherry and almond also. Then in a small bowl, mix butter and sugar until it becomes creamy. Then we need to add eggs one at a time. After that, we can add vanilla. Now we can add flour and baking powder into the butter mixture. Then add dried fruits and nuts. Mix until well combined. Now we need to put this into a baking tray and make 2 big long loaves. This dough is very sticky, so apply some flour on your spatula and shape the dough into nice loaves. Now we can bake this around 25 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, let it cool down around 30 minutes and then cut them into half-inch oblong-shaped slices. Again, keep these slices on a baking tray and bake around 15 to 17 minutes. These biscottis will be so crunchy when we bake them twice. These biscottis are absolutely wonderful with your tea. You can dip biscottis in your tea and enjoy. You can check some nice photos of this recipe in my dailylife.lk site also. See you soon with another delicious recipe. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.